The first drone operation of 2026 took me to the Khalifa bin Salman port, famously known as the APM terminals in Bahrain. This tower is their main communication tower and I will be using our drone to clean it. At the end of the operation, we will catch the sunset as always. Let's go. A mixture of vanilla and green apple is the ice cream to beat. Many cargo ships and cruise ships are visible on the way as we head to the tower. The tower is about 6 floors with 4 identical sides and has a circular structure at the top. My power connections are set and now I will set up the drone and the hoses. The batteries, the remote, the GPS connection and the camera feed are all set. I will now start the pump to test the water. This is the wide view of the tower as we finish setting up.
Voltage 58.4, speed 0.
Life is okay, yeah? You see, when that thing is rotating, it's detecting it as a barrier.
Some parts of the tower have metallic barriers on the glass surfaces. These barriers pose the biggest challenge to today's drone operation. The easiest parts to clean were the lower parts of the tower that had less barriers.
Try.
You want me to do it again? Yeah, I think that's okay now.
This is probably the most complex building structure that we have seen in this channel so far. A beautiful cruise ship approaches the shores as we take a short water break. We ended today's operation before the sunset, then headed for some tea as we enjoyed the stunning sunset across the sea. As we enjoy the stunning sunset, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to see the upcoming drone operations.